Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV10 and placing it on a flat surface. Next, locate the two screws at the back of the vacuum cleaner. Using the T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the battery cover away from the main body of the vacuum. Now you will see the battery compartment. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment with a soft cloth. This will ensure a clean environment for the new battery. To remove the old battery, locate the release tab on the battery itself. Press down on the tab while gently pulling the battery out. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed and that you are pressing the tab correctly. Once the old battery is out, it's time to install the new one. Align the new battery with the connectors in the compartment and push it in until you hear a click. This indicates that the battery is securely in place. Before replacing the battery cover, it's a good idea to check the connections to ensure everything is properly aligned. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, take the battery cover and align it with the main body of the vacuum. Press it down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert the two screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the plastic. After securing the battery cover, give the vacuum a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust. It's important to keep your Dyson looking its best. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV10 and allow it to charge fully before using it. This will ensure optimal performance from your new battery. If you prefer, we can provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Dyson SV10. If you encounter any issues or would like assistance, remember that we offer no calls, no travel services, making it easy for you to get help without the hassle. Enjoy your revitalized vacuum cleaner. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.